Hey Mohammed, how are you doing?
Yeah, how are you? Good, how are you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. Yeah. So, last class we have very deep discussed about EBS volumes, right?
Yeah.
So let's today in this class we are going to see how to create a volume in practical way. Okay. So could you please let me know, or can you able to recollect what we have discussed yesterday?
Yeah, hello?
Yeah, Mohammed, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, what I'm saying, are you able to recollect uh, what we have discussed yesterday?
Okay. Yeah,
Just try to recollect. That's it.
I got you.
Just in general, what is the purpose of EBS volume?
Come again?
In general, what you understood. You don't need to go very much deep dive. Just what you understood about EBS volume.
Hello?
Hello, Mohammed, can you hear me?
Hello?
Mohammed, are you able to hear me? Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Are you able to hear my
Oh,
voice?
okay. Yeah, yeah. It paused for a second. I don't know, where'd you go?
Okay, maybe some technical glitch. I guess this is some technical glitch.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, you can hear me now, right? Good?
I can hear very well. So we have discussed about EBS volume yesterday. So just in general, could you able to recollect what we have discussed? What you understood? Just try to recollect the all the information, and let's move on after that. Just try to recollect.
Yeah. So basically, EBS stands for com- uh,
Block.
Elastic Block Storage, right?
Yes.
And basically, we just, uh, it's like a backup, restore. It's like a high performance disk. We put a hard drive in the EC stance,
Yeah.
like live data, and we uh,
MP3s, all kind of data we can store. Okay.
yeah, we learn about the performance options, SSD, speed, and HDD for throb throughput,
Yeah.
and we learn
This
the
one.
like the levels with the storage, like the backup, the the shots, like screenshots. We could put it in there as a backup storage for S3,
Yeah. Exactly.
raw disk format, mount it.
EBS volume can be used for creating extra volume, and that we can able to attach to existent current instance.
Yes, create a volume. Yep.
Yeah. One second, moment.
Yeah, no problem.
One second. Yeah, you try to read here. EBS allows you to create a storage and attach them to EC2 instance. That's it. Okay, so which means
Correct.
extra storage. We are creating extra storage by using EBS service, which is provided by AWS. Okay, so we are creating EBS volume that we are going to attach to EC2 instance. I'll show you from the scratch. Okay, see here. So we are going to create here. Just keep concentration here. Launching instance. Okay, this is instance one. I'm just keeping name it as instance one. You can make it as 2025. What is this? October 2025. Okay, just this is my instance name. Okay, after that by default I'm taking it as a Linux. Okay, so these are all AMIs, Amazon Mission Image. Okay, instance type some basic by default. I'm taking by default because it is a free tier service, right? I'm just taking it as free tier. Okay, so creating instance key pair, instance one OCT 2025. This is my instance name. Just try to download this. That's it. It is downloaded here, top right corner. Okay. So now this is all about networking. We still not yet discussed about networking. Okay. All right. So next. So here you see here the configure storage. Okay. Mohammed, I need your response. Here you see here
Uh-huh. Yeah, I see.
configure storage. Okay. So this comes under volume. Okay. Just we last class we completely discussed about this only. So you try to here read here free tier
Free
eligible
tier
customers get
eligible customers
EC2.
can get up
Yes.
to 30 gigabyte of EBS general purpose SSD or magnet storage.
Yeah, which means by default you will get 8 GB. Okay, this is 8 GB of RAM you will get, storage you will get. Okay, there are different types you see here. Yesterday we have discussed about all these types, correct? You see GP2, IO1,
Yeah,
IO2, right? So the same
yeah.
we have different types of volumes we have. Okay, so by default, it got selected actually SSD general purpose. Okay, this is general purpose. You see here general purpose, all these things. This is
Yeah.
provisioned. This is provisioned purpose. This is also provisioned purpose. So HDD they have actually disabled so far because we are using a free tier. Maybe that is the reason. Anyways, so this is actually whenever you try to create instance, whenever you try to create default instances, you will get by default 8 GB storage. You understood? Your hard disk
Yes.
storage is 8 GB by default. Clear? You can able to see once you increase here, automatically it will increase. Here. You can see here 8 GB storage volume.
So
Understood?
in real life, in real life demo, I could increase mine.
Yeah, you are not going to use this much less. In companies, it will be 250, 350, 500 GBs.
Oh wow.
But here actually we are using free tier. If you keep 500 GB, you will get more than $1,000 bill.
No way.
That's the reason I'm just using only small amount of storage only, right? So I can able to
Yeah,
increase
but
like this. You see here, I can able to increase like
yeah.
this. I can able to decrease like this.
Wow.
Clear?
Yeah, but for that, the company will pay for it, right? When you get the job.
Yeah, company will take care, man. Don't worry about that. Okay. So here volume is smaller than snapshot, which means so this is you minimum by default is 8 GB. You can't select this below 8 GB. You see this? Once if I select 7 GB, it is getting error. Can you see here? Minimum at least 8
Yeah.
GB. Okay, by default.
Why is it?
Yeah. Now you see if I keep 8 GB, automatically it is taking, right?
Oh, it won't take lower than that.
Yeah, you can't. You won't take lower than this. All right. So by default, this is a storage, man. Actually, whatever you keep, whatever your servers, images, whatever you work on top of this instance, this mission. This is actually mission. Okay, we are going to create launching instance means one computer. You understood? One instance in the sense one computer on top of this computer, this Linux computer, whatever you work. Okay, so that will be stored in this. Okay, if you want to work something, you must have a storage, right? That storage we are selecting. We are talking about that storage. Understood? I will show you in
Yeah.
my here. I will show you my computer. I'm talking about Windows now. You see here. So I will check here my computer, all the details, properties. You see here. Please focus. You see here. What is the storage? This is related to RAM. RAM is 16 GB of my computer. RAM is
3 GB.
16 GB. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so here you see a graphic card is 490 and the storage.
496.
So now we are talking
Yeah.
about storage. You see here, this is almost 1 TB. Understood?
That's fast.
Yeah, this is almost 1 TB. The storage, my Windows machine, my Windows laptop storage is 954 GB. Understood?
Uh huh.
But
And
here
you
in
use
this, here,
496.
yeah, go ahead, Mohammed.
No, no, go ahead.
Yeah, so I'm saying my laptop storage is 954 GB. Okay, so but here, whatever we are talking about here, Linux instance, Linux machine storage is we are access selecting only 8 GB because by default you will get 8 GB. If you want to increase, you can increase, but you have to pay. Got it? Okay.
Okay.
So this is actually by default. For this mission, I can able, if you want to keep, you can able to keep 500 GB. You understood? If you want to, you can keep
Wow.
1000 GB. Yeah, you can keep it. But you have to pay for that. That's why I don't want to pay. That's why I'm keeping by default 8 GB. This is under free tier. Free tier,
What's
you
the
get,
average?
right?
What's the average the company keeps?
Yeah, they'll keep most probably depends upon project only. Okay, it's a vast and big project. They'll keep 250 GB, 300 GB. It doesn't matter whatever you take. Initially, you might, for example, Amazon is there, right? Amazon, whenever Amazon built, Amazon e-commerce website built, maybe users might less, right? So day by day, and time goes on. So Amazon customers and users got increased, correct? It extended up to across more than 190 countries. Amazon online
Yeah.
platform, right? Which means so initially when they have launched Amazon, I never know. I don't know that. Okay. Even most probably many of the people, most of the people that almost 70% people doesn't know across the globe about Amazon. But
Doesn't
uh,
know what.
yeah, sorry,
They don't know what.
Amazon. I'll show you the picture.
Like when it launched.
Yeah, while they are launching Amazon this platform website, this website will be on this mission. You understood now? So
Uh
whenever
huh.
after launching instance, this website will work on this only. Okay. So this is your mission. This is mission in the sense this is a big computer. Okay, this is an online computer. On top of this, this Amazon kind of applications will work on. You understood?
Yeah.
This such type of not only this Flipkart. You see this right? Such type of servers will run on top of this machine. You understood?
Yeah.
So these kind of Amazon type of or Flipkart type of applications or servers will run on top of this machine. So you can able to launch such kind of applications on top of this instance. You understood? This instance is nothing but it's a server. Okay, servers will run
Yeah.
on this. Okay, so for example, I'm taking Amazon as a machine. Amazon is a online platform. While launching this online platform, maybe 70% people doesn't know, right? So gradually,
Yeah.
gradually, complete across the globe got to know that Amazon is actually online platform. This is a now popular. It is very much popular. Okay, this is no, everybody knows this Amazon, right? So once initially when you are launching this Amazon uh, as an online platform, never know people, users is less, users might less, users were very less for this Amazon, correct?
Yes.
Right? So, but we have millions and billions of people, users are there for now, so far. So, like that, initially, I'm coming to your answer only. Initially, you may select 250 GB according to your, as per your estimation, your project estimation. But
Yeah.
once people are, users are getting more. Okay, initially, you have very less users, but day by day it is, your application becoming so older. At the time you can able to increase this storage by using volumes. You understood now? Maybe so far
Correct.
I'm going to take 8 GB storage now. So but after that I will add more storage. That's what I'm trying to show you now.
Yes.
Clear? So that's what. So
Yes.
just keep concentration on this 8 GB. So far I'm just selecting only 8 GB. You understood? So let me launch this
Oh.
instance.
Up to how much is free?
A 30 GB.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So you see this now? Okay. So this is your instance. So now we
Yeah.
have launched this instance. Instance is nothing but it's a computer. It's a Linux computer. You understood?
Yes.
Okay. So let me check here. Just check. Can you see here the options? All these
Yeah.
options. Okay. You just click on the
Storage.
storage. Just click on the storage. You see here the storage. How much?
8.
8 GB. Okay. So far I have only 8 GB. So according to my project, so far I just want only 8 GB because I don't have users. But once if users is getting continuously, it's like more than 100 members, thousands, after that 1 million, something. If it is gradually increasing the um, users, then I can also increase my volume. You understood?
Yes.
So this much. Whenever you go here, just whenever you do hands-on only, Mohammed, you can understand that where are the options are available. So
Correct.
without doing
Yeah.
practice, you can't identify where the options are. Okay, if you can select this only, you can see these options. You must know that. When you will get to know the when you do the practice only, you will get to know that. You understand? See here. So these options, if you want to know these options, you have to do hands-on. I'm doing hands-on. That's the reason I know very much clear. I'm very much faster
Correct.
than anyone because I'm doing regular practice. I will work on it always. That's the reason I can identify where the options are available. You understand? So if you want to
Yes.
know about all these volumes and all, you just need to click on storage. You must know that. If you want to know that, if you know this only, you can directly navigate it, right? So this is a device name. You understood? This is a device
Yes.
name. Okay. So these are all we have. While we are creating instance, by default we have selected 8 GB volume. Understand? That's it.
Yes.
That's really fantastic. If you can understand, please try to recollect and let me know. Then I'll be very much happy. So what we have done so far?
So you go on instance, storage. Well, from the beginning, before you launched it,
Yeah, just talk about storage. What is storage?
what do you mean? Storage is like the GB, the volume.
Yeah, what is the purpose of it?
Sorry, come again?
What is the purpose of storage?
to store like the files,
Yeah, whatever it
the
might be.
data.
Yeah, that is fantastic answer. The data. Okay, whatever you are using data in your mission, on top of your mission.
Yeah,
Okay, so the
correct.
data, if you keep on working, the data might get increased, right? If you keep on working
Correct.
extra, if you keep on working, the data will be increased. One fine day, this 8 GB may get full. If you are keeping, if you are launching large scale of our servers, large scale of applications, this is not enough. This volume size is not enough. So in that case, if you want to launch, we have to use EBS. By using EBS, we can able to create. Okay, so you can see here. Yeah, can you see here? Volumes,
Yeah,
elastic block storage. Can you see?
plastic black storage. Yeah,
Just click on here. Just click on here. Okay, got it. So
yeah.
you see here how many volumes you can able to see now. How many volumes are there here?
Uh, what do you mean? How many?
How
Where
many
does it say
volumes
that?
are, this is one volume.
Yeah, one only.
Volume, volume 1. Okay, this is volume 1. How many are there here? Only one.
Yeah,
This one also we got actually while we are launching, it is default volume. Okay, if you want to attach extra volume, extra storage, just create here. Simply I'm going back again. You see here, can you see here top right corner orange color
yeah.
button?
Create volume.
Yeah, just click on this create volume. You can choose different types of volumes here. It's depend upon your project requirement. You will choose all these types of volumes. Okay, types of volume. Okay, by default, whatever it is getting, I'm just taking it as a default. You see here size. I'm going to add more 6 GB. Okay, 6 GB. Can you see here?
Yeah.
Already I have 8 GB. I'm going to add more 6 GB. Clear?
Yes.
Input output speed. This is a speed actually. Okay. Input output per second 3000. That just I don't want to touch this. Just keep it as usual. Okay. Just keep all these things as usual. Okay. So if you want to encrypt it, you can able to encrypt. But we are not talking about encryption. Just keep it as usual. Okay. I'm just taking it as a name. If you want to give name, you have to give name of your volume. Okay, volume, extra volume, I'm just keeping the name is extra volume. Okay,
Okay.
got it. This is tag of my volume. This is label, you can say. So in your kitchen there are a lot of items would be there, right? So you'll name
Yeah.
it as a label. Okay, so in your kitchen maybe who are, I think if you are habituated making some items, if you are habituated cooking, then it is fine, you know where are the items. But if you don't know the items, for if suppose a new guy came to your house or your relative came to your house. Okay, they just go to, if they visit your kitchen, they can't identify the items where are, right? They can't identify your kitchen items, right? So
Correct.
if you label it only, they can identify it. That is the purpose of tag, that nothing else. Okay. If you can able label
Okay.
it, you can able to identify which volume you created now. Because earlier already
Yeah.
we have 8 GB, right? So to identify from that which one we created, I'm just naming it. That's it. Just create a volume. You got it? You got it right now? This is
Yeah.
extra volume.
Uh
Okay.
huh.
This is actually default one. I'll keep it as a default. Make it as a default. Okay, instance default, fault. Okay, this is default 8 GB. While we are creating instance, we got 8 GB storage, 8 GB volume. Just now we created extra volume. Now the question is how to attach both of them. I want to attach existed, this is existed one. Okay, this is existed volume, this is extra volume. We have just created
Correct.
this volume, correct? Okay, Just simply go to options here. Okay. Okay. So here attach should be enabled. Let us wait for some more time. Let it ready. Okay. Let me refresh. See here, just available. Okay. It is already your mission, whatever mission is there, that mission already using, means currently your mission have a 8 GB storage, that is why it is in use. Okay. But this volume we just only created, not yet attached, that is the reason it is showing that only available. This available storage we need to attach to current storage. Okay, you understood? So don't make confuse
Correct.
yourself. Just if you get any doubt, please ask me. Okay, now it is available, right? See here, Mohammed.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I see it.
whatever we created extra volume, that volume we need to attach it to existed one. What is existed one? 8 GB. So try to
Yeah.
attach now. Yeah, you see here, it is asking the details.
So we okay.
Yeah, let me refresh. It is not yet ready.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, volumes, this extra attach.
It's not there.
Yeah, we'll find 1 second.
It's gone.
No, 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 no. I just you I went somewhere. Okay. I'm in
Oh,
where I'm in instances, not in volume. If you want to go volumes, simply click on volumes. That's it. Okay.
okay. Maybe you have to highlight both.
Yeah. So let me click on here. I will check here. Okay. Here attach. So let me do one thing. I will copy ID from here. So this is existed instance. I'll copy this instance ID. I'll go back to volumes here. Okay, this is a volume. Okay, attach this volume. Here I'll paste instance ID. Oh my goodness, it's not getting why only instances in the same availability zones. Okay, okay. Got it. This is Europe, Stockholm. I'm somewhere in Europe, Stockholm. I got it. So my volume where I need to check whether my volume is in same region or not. Let me check, cross check. Okay, I'm just finding out, nothing I'm doing. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, what is this error? Some error is getting.
Can you give me 2 3 minutes?
Yeah, sure, go ahead please.
I have to use the bathroom.
Yeah, go ahead please.
Yeah, sorry.
That's okay, it's okay. Go ahead please. Yeah. Mohammed, can you hear me? Are you be there? Mohammed, are you there? Are you back? Yeah, buddy. Thank you. Thanks
Yeah,
for
sorry about
having
that.
me back. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. So we are discussing about volume. See, Mohammed, actually, shall we continue?
Yeah,
See,
yeah, go ahead.
yeah. Yeah. So
Oh, you
our
put it three now.
so where we have stopped in the sense this is default, right? This is
Yeah,
default storage, instance related storage, default storage, and this is extra we created. Okay, and one more I
correct.
created, extra volume 2. Okay, but I will show you, I will let you know one more point here. While we are this whatever extra volume we got created, that we can attach, but there is some small logic. Okay, here you just try to read only one instance in the same availability zone selected volume are displayed, which means you see here, right? European North 1A, one availability zone. Okay. Europe, Stockholm, where it is, Stockholm is in Europe, right? This is a region.
Okay.
Stockholm is EU North 1 region. Okay. Stockholm, EU North 1 region is there. But in this also three availability zones will be there. Availability zone 1, availability zone A, availability zone B, availability zone C. Three zones will be there. Okay. So I'll show you here. In all three volumes, you see here, all three volumes. One, actually our default volume is North 1B. Okay. Extra volume which we created, one is North 1A, and other one I created, that is 1B. You understood? Now you need to
Yes.
understand 1B both are matching, right? So which means default 1. Okay, default and extra volume 2 both are matching, the first one and the third one. You see, the first one
Yeah.
and third one both are similar, which means both in
Yeah.
same region. Europe in the sense same region and same availability zone. Understand?
Yes.
So all are in Europe only, all are in Europe Stockholm only, but there is in every region. For example, India is there, right? In India, Mumbai region is there. In Mumbai, there will be three different availability zones. One is Mumbai 1A, Mumbai 1B, and Mumbai 1C, like that. You understand? For same way,
Yes.
in Europe also we do have three availability zones. Why these availability zones? In the sense, for suppose if something happened, some floods got, or earthquakes got, or some natural calamities happen in this country, in Stockholm. Okay, if something one region one availability zone got fail, so other availability zone will be available. That is the purpose of availability zone. You understood?
Yes.
So now just try to attach. We are talking about attach extra volume. Actually, this is a default volume, and this is extra volume which we created. Okay. Then now we need to attach. You try to attach this. You see here it will be displayed now. You see here. This is your instance. Current instance ID. Okay. Device
Yeah.
name. So you can select anything. Okay. These are all recommended data volumes. I can take the first one. Okay, SDB, just keep in mind, DEV/SDB, this is the name of your hard disk, just simply. Okay, this is name of your hard disk, you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so now attach the volume, simple, just click on that, that's it. Okay, so now you click on volumes,
Uh huh.
it is loading, just wait. See here, it is in use. Earlier it was in available, now it is in use. It is showing that it is in use. Correct. Okay, you got it. So let me here come here in instances. Let me check here storage. You see here the storage. You see here, Mohammed.
Yeah.
For this
Yes.
instance, earlier is 8 GB. Now 5 GB extra got added. You understand?
Yes.
That's it. So which means 5 plus 8, how much?
11,
13.
9, 10, 11, 12, 14,
13 GB.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13. Yeah.
13 GB, which means you can able to extend the storage like this. So we are talking about in we are actually it is a free tier service. That is the reason we are talking about in single digit. But in projects it will be in 250 GB, 350 GB or 1 TB. It is in TBs and GBs, more than 200 GB. You understand? So this is how you
Yes.
can able to attach volume. Now you have a question. Okay, that's fine, but it is actually it is recommended, but I don't have any users. Whenever I got users, okay, high millions of users, then I have taken, but I'm going to shut down my company, so I don't want to use this volume. So how to delete the volume? You got a requirement to delete the volume. How? So this is your question, right?
Yes.
So if you want to delete your volume, just simply first you need to detach it. Okay. First you need to detach from your instance. Clear? Simply you need
Yes.
to detach it. That is a point. Okay. So let me check here. 1 second. So go to volumes first, not here. You can't do anything from the instance. You have every time you need to visit this. You need to navigate elastic block storage. Just click on this elastic block storage and volumes. Click on volumes. Now you can see here both are in use, which means both are in
Yes.
associated, both are in same. Okay. So if I want to detach, simply you just select it, come here and detach the volume. Simple. That's simply detach it, right? So now whenever you detach, it will it will become available again, which means it is see here, it is available. So now not is it is not in use, it is not in the use right now because I have detached it, right? So let me come here,
Yes.
let me come here in instance, let me check whether it is got detached or not. See, refresh it. Yeah, see this. Now how much storage you can see now?
8.
Yeah, which means 5 got gone. So how much storage
Yeah.
you got? Now only you are having only 8 GB. Earlier you had 13 GB, right? Earlier you had 13 GB along with that 5 GB. 8 GB plus 5 GB total 13 GB, right?
Yes.
Correct? So now after detaching this, you could see only 8 GB. Correct?
Correct.
So now, so this is how you can able to attach and detach. This is how you can able to create a volumes. So let me try to create a volume in front of you again. Okay. So I'm going to add 8 plus 2, 10 GB. Okay, right? So I'm going to take 2 GB, just 2 GB. That's it. Okay. So here my instance is in which availability zone, you must need to check it. Okay. So you just come here in availability zone, you just need to check here. Just instances, go to instances, click on instance. So it is refreshing. Okay. So now networking, you need to find the availability zone now. See here, north. Oh, one
Yeah.
second. See here, availability zone is north 1B, correct? So you need to cross verify it. So now you need to create a volume in this availability zone only. Okay. So I'm going to create availability zone 1B. You understood? You have just to select 1B. Whatever your instance in the whatever your instance is availability zone is there, that availability zone and your volume availability zone would be same. That's it, nothing else. Okay. You understand? That's it.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to take this name. So this is extra volume extra volume 3. Okay. That's it. It got created. See here, these many volumes I have created. Just recently, I have created 2 GB, right? Here, correct. So this
Yeah.
is creating. It is still in creation. Let's see status. Now it is available. I want to attach this to my instance. You see here, instance. That's
Yeah.
it. Why you got in the sense both are in same availability zone. That's it. This is a condition. Only instances in the same availability zone only it will display. Otherwise, no. Understand? That's it. Simple. So I'm going to select SDC. This is the device name. That's it. Simply attach. After attaching this, just go to your instance. Okay. This is your instance. One second. I will refresh this page. Yeah. So this is your instance. Okay. Go to storage. Simply go to storage and check here. You see here 8 GB and extra 2 GB. You got it?
Yes.
How much total? 10 GB you are having.
Then
Got it? How to detach? Can you please navigate me?
come again.
How to detach this? Just now we attached both, right?
Uh
Same
huh.
listed 8 GB and I added 2 GB extra. So I want to detach this. How?
Volume,
Okay, great. Volume.
and then
You need to select
you
this.
highlight it. You
Okay.
highlight it.
Yeah.
Then you create the actions. Then
Yes.
you detach volume.
Yeah. Detach it.
Detach.
Right. That's it. Gone. Right. We need to verify this now. I'll go to instance here.
Uh huh.
Just need to go to instance and you need to go to storage and you need to verify it. That's it. Okay. Here storage. This is your instance. You
Yes.
selected this instance.
Yeah.
Whenever you select this only, you will get displayed all the details. Okay. Here storage. You see how many GB you are currently having? Only 8 GB. The 2 GB got detached. Clear?
Correct. Yes.
That's it. That's it. That's how we can able to create the volumes and we can attach them and we can detach them. That's it. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. So this is all about volumes. Can you please, if you don't mind, can you please repeat what we have done? What just try to recollect what we have done.
So we run the volumes. We created the uh one of the volumes, like create volumes on the right orange, and then we uh, it's better when I show it. And then we highlighted that. Then we created the like the GB, like the size 8 example.
Okay.
Then after that we uh I think it's better when I show you. It's hard to explain.
Yeah. Just nothing else. Whatever. Just simply we have created one instance. Okay.
Correct.
While you are creating instance, you have opted some storage. You kept some storage like 8 GB. That's it. After that, we created volume here. That's it. After creating a volume, that you need to cross verify that your instance must be in the same availability zone. Your volume and your instance must be in the same availability zone. That's it. So here in this you can identify. So your instance, this is your instance and these are all volumes. These are all not instances, these are all volumes. So two volumes, 1b is matching with your current instance and one is not matching with your instance, right? So which means I can able to attach these two volumes into this, which means 6 GB I could not able to attach to your current instance, 5 GB I can able to attach and 2 GB I can able to attach to your instance. You understand, right?
Correct. Yes.
So here just we have attached and we have cross checked with your instance. That's it. That is how we can able to attach and detach the volumes. Understand?
Yes.
So tomorrow you are going to do practical.
We'll do a morning class tomorrow.
Yeah. Morning? Are
Is
you
that
be
fine?
available? Are you be available morning?
Yeah, because I work late night.
Oh, okay. So yeah, that's fine.
Thurs Thursday,
Just ping
Friday,
me early.
Saturdays. I mean, sorry. Thursdays, Wednesday, and Thursdays always late night. No,
Oh,
sorry.
Thursday
No.
and
Only
Friday.
Thursday. No.
Only
Only
Thursday.
Thursday. Yeah.
No problem, Mohammed. Just ping me early. We can connect. No problem at all. I'll
Maybe
always
at 10
help you,
o'clock.
man. I'll always ready to help you. So I can teach you. I can feed you. I can peel off banana and put in your mouth. Don't worry. I'm there for you. Okay.
Okay.
So
Appreciate it.
don't worry about that. But please respect my words. Please respect my words. Do practice. Okay. If you do practice only, you can identify where the options are. Okay, how it is. Okay, without doing practice, if you listen it 1,000 and 10,000 times, it never, no use of it. If you listen more than 10,000 times also, it will vanish out. But if you do practice one time or twice, it will be very much useful. Got it?
Yes, got it.
But please do practice. Okay, before come to the office, sorry, before come to the next class, please watch this what video and try to write it down in notebook. So I will ask the questions, I will cross
Okay.
question you.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll ask the questions before start next class. So you have to navigate me, you have to tell me that how to do it, how to create the volumes. Got it?
Got
Understand?
it.
So
Yes.
yeah, you have to do all these things next time. So just watch this video first and note it down in your notebook. So next class you have to do it in practically.
Okay.
Practice makes more difference than watching
Practice
and
makes
listening
perfect.
classes. Yeah, right? So,
Correct.
and if you want to delete the volumes, okay, the question is how to delete the volumes, right? So here this one,
Yeah.
these three are extra. This
Uh
volume
huh.
is this volume is actually related to your server, but these are all we have created extra. The name also indicated. Okay, extra volumes you just simply delete the volume. That's it. Go to actions and delete it. That's it. Gone, gone. Right?
But it's delete permanently or is it somewhere?
No, 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 no. It is completely deleted, permanently deleted. So that's why while you are deleting, you just make sure that you have to take confirm from your manager. Understand?
Yeah.
Do not
If
delete
not,
like
you'll be
this.
behind.
Yeah, don't
Yeah.
delete like this.
If not, you'll be behind the project.
Yes, if you are in a project, you must be ensure that you need to take confirmation from your higher
Correct.
authorities or hierarchy level.
Make sure.
You need to follow the,
Yeah. Make sure we're both on the same page.
yeah. You should not blindly do not delete anything.
Okay.
All right, Mohammed. Thanks for joining tomorrow. EBS practical. I mean, yeah, I think tomorrow morning, right?
Yes. 10 a.m. Central.
For you 10 a.m. That's okay. All right. So we can connect at 10 a.m. So you are going to do it practically. You're gonna show me all these things. All right.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
Mohammed.
so much.
Have a good day. Good sleep. Good
You
night.
too.
Bye bye.
You too. Thank you. Bye bye.